decision can change your entire life. Think about that for a moment. One choice, one action, one moment of courage or hesitation can completely change the direction of your future. Most people spend years waiting for the perfect opportunity, the perfect situation, or the perfect time to change their lives. They believe success will arrive one day like a surprise gift. They believe happiness is something they will find in the future. But the truth is much simpler than that. Your future is not created by luck. Your future is created by your decisions. The life you are living today is largely the result of the choices you made yesterday. And the life you will live tomorrow is being shaped by the choices you are making right now. Every day, whether you realize it or not, you are deciding who you are becoming. You decide whether to work on your goals or waste another day. You decide whether to learn or stay the same. You decide whether to move forward or remain stuck. Life is nothing more than the result of thousands of decisions made over time. The problem is that most people do not think carefully before making decisions. They focus on what feels good in the moment. They focus on comfort. They focus on convenience. They focus on short-term pleasure while ignoring long-term consequences. But every choice has a price. Every action creates a result. And every result eventually becomes your reality. This is why successful people think differently. Before they act, they ask themselves a simple question: where will this decision lead me? They do not focus only on today. They think about next month, next year, and the person they want to become. Because wise people understand something that many others ignore. The future is hidden inside today's choices. Many people destroy opportunities because they only think about immediate satisfaction. They choose entertainment instead of education. They choose excuses instead of responsibility. They choose comfort instead of discipline. At first, these decisions seem harmless. One day of laziness does not seem dangerous. One day of procrastination does not seem important. One missed opportunity does not seem life-changing. But life is not built in a single day. Life is built through repetition. Small choices repeated over and over again eventually become your habits. Your habits become your character, and your character becomes your destiny. That is why every decision matters. Another reason people make poor choices is because they allow emotions to control them. When people are angry, they say things they later regret. When they are afraid, they avoid opportunities that could change their lives. When they are stressed, they make rushed decisions. When they are excited, they act without thinking. Emotions are powerful, but they are temporary. The problem is that many people make permanent decisions based on temporary emotions, and that often leads to regret. Strong people understand the importance of emotional control. They do not allow anger to make decisions for them. They do not allow fear to decide the future. They do not allow temporary feelings to control permanent outcomes. Instead, they pause, they think, they calm their minds, and then they act. Because a calm mind can see opportunities that an emotional mind cannot see. Imagine driving through thick fog. You cannot clearly see the road ahead. That is exactly what happens when emotions take control of your decisions. Your judgment becomes cloudy. Your vision becomes limited. And mistakes become more likely. This is why patience is one of the most valuable skills a person can develop. A few minutes of thinking can save years of regret. Another truth that many people avoid is this: growth is uncomfortable. Every person wants a better life. Everyone wants success, Everyone wants confidence. Everyone wants financial freedom. Everyone wants happiness. But very few people are willing to accept the discomfort required to achieve those things. They want the reward without the effort. They want success without sacrifice. They want growth without struggle. But life does not work that way. Everything valuable requires effort. Confidence grows when you face fear. Strength grows when you face challenges. Knowledge grows when you continue learning. Discipline grows when you do what needs to be done, even when you do not feel like doing it. Comfort feels good in the moment. Growth feels difficult in the moment. But comfort often creates regret. Growth creates results. Every day, life gives you a choice between what is easy and what is necessary. The easy path usually offers immediate pleasure. The necessary path usually offers long-term rewards. And your future depends on which path you choose most often. Many people stay trapped inside their comfort zones because they fear failure. But failure is not the enemy. Failure is a teacher. Every successful person has failed. Every successful person has made mistakes. Every successful person has experienced disappointment. The difference is that successful people learn from those experiences. They do not allow mistakes to define them. They allow mistakes to educate them. Most people try to forget their failures. Strong people study them. They ask themselves important questions. What went wrong? What can I improve? What lesson can I learn? And because they learn, they grow. Mistakes become valuable when they teach wisdom. Every challenge carries a lesson. Every setback contains information. Every difficult experience has something to teach. The people who improve their lives are not the people who avoid mistakes. They are the people who learn from every mistake they make. Another important lesson is learning how to listen. Most people spend their lives talking. Very few spend enough time listening. But listening is one of the fastest ways to grow. When you listen, you learn. When you observe, you understand. When you pay attention, you discover opportunities that others miss. Many arguments happen because people react before understanding. Many relationships fail because people respond before listening. Many opportunities disappear because people assume they already know everything. A wise person remains open to learning. They understand that every person can teach them something. They understand that knowledge can come from unexpected places. And because they continue learning, they continue growing. Another powerful truth is that your future is shaped by your daily habits. Not by one big decision. Not by one lucky break, not by one extraordinary opportunity. Your future is built through small actions repeated consistently. Reading a few pages every day may not seem important. Exercising for 30 minutes may not seem life-changing. Saving a little money may not seem significant. Learning one new skill may not seem extraordinary. But over time, these small actions create remarkable results. Success is often invisible in the beginning. You do not see the results immediately. That is why many people quit too soon. They expect instant rewards. They expect immediate transformation. But real growth takes time. A tree does not become strong overnight. A successful life is not built overnight. Everything meaningful requires patience. The people who achieve great things are often the people who continue moving forward when results are still invisible. They trust the process. They stay consistent. They keep making good decisions even when nobody is watching. Even when progress feels slow. Even when motivation disappears. because they understand that consistency is more powerful than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline remains, and discipline creates results. At the end of the day, your life is not determined by what you say you want. Your life is determined by what you repeatedly choose. Every decision is a vote for the person you are becoming. Every action is shaping your future. Every habit is building your destiny. So before making your next decision, stop and think. Ask yourself a simple question. Will this choice move me closer to the life I want or further away from it? Because life is short. Time moves faster than most people realize. Years pass. Opportunities disappear. Moments become memories. And one day, you will look back at the decisions you made. The question is whether those decisions will fill you with pride or regret. The choice is yours. You can continue repeating the same patterns, or you can decide today to become better. You can choose discipline over excuses. You can choose growth over comfort. You can choose wisdom over impulse. You can choose action over procrastination. Because the future you dream about is not waiting somewhere ahead. It is being created right now by the decisions you make today. Choose wisely. Choose growth. Choose courage. Choose discipline. And one day, your future self will thank you for the decisions you made when it mattered most.